Visa, they're into the crypto punk. What did they get? Which crypto punk did they get? Well, was it a good one?
7610.
Oh, it's a banger. Yeah,
That's the one, right?
They nailed
That's the
it.
one you wanted?
I can't believe they got it before I did.
Yeah.
What'd they pay for it? Was it 350,000?
No.
100. How about the loud ringtone?
That
See, you're
is,
not gonna miss this one. That's the thing. You have no excuse missing that one. I'll be like, no, I was recording, and then the person's gonna be like, sure, bud, you always say that, and I'm like, no, you could check the video recording. I was recording. Like,
Yeah, that really
"Sure, bud."
jolts you.
It's almost
really wakes
it's
you
almost
up.
like Otis barking.
That'll definitely perk me up.
He hasn't barked
I
in
get
a while.
electrocuted?
He hasn't barked in a while.
Nah,
Hey.
yeah. I mean, knock on wood.
What's going on with that? Should I bang my foot a little
Oh,
there?
boy, don't do that.
Nah, I didn't get him. All right. Way to go, Otis. Oh, maybe I got a little bit.
He's licking the ground.
Yeah, all right. Never mind. Good job, Otis.
Yeah.
Visa spent $150,000 to buy a unique work of art, and in doing so, took its first step into the metaverse, a nascent online world that promises to transform the internet into a virtual reality.
So before you read on, I just kind of want to see what it looks like.
Yeah. And then someone else says 166,000. Like, what is the actual amount? That's the one.
So you about that.
Yeah.
It's
I was in the market for that myself.
right.
They want to be cool, right? Like, I get it. They're trying to send a signal, strong signal. Instead of canvas or marble, the pixelated artwork named CryptoPunk 7610 is what's known as a non-fungible token. One of the 10,000 24 by 24 pixel images of the CryptoPunk collection generated algorithmically. Visa's first NFT is an avatar of a female character distinguishable by a mohawk, large green eyes, and bright red lipstick. I somehow pre-read that as pink and said brink instead of bright pink, even though it was bright red.
Happens to the best of us.
The brain, the human brain. However, the company didn't actually custody the 49.5 ETH paid for the token or the asset itself. Instead, newly licensed bank Anchorage has helped facilitate the deal and importantly became the first known U.S. bank to custody one of these novel assets. Oh, so edgy. Listen, here's the way I look at it. Can I just tell you the way I look at it, Will?
Sure.
It's marketing, man. Look at me and you. We're Visa this and Visa that.
Yeah.
Crypto. Here's the word crypto. All right.
Let's put Visa and crypto together.
Okay, so we got the word crypto,
Yeah.
which is this whole big universe. And then we have something that at the moment seems to be most indicative of that world, which is the CryptoPunk artwork, right?
Which is very crypto.
It's very crypto.
Yeah.
So it's like legit crypto. It's like, I'm quite crypto. So you want to do some marketing, get some coverage, get some press. Well, typically eyeballs will cost you if you're a company like Visa. You got a big marketing budget. You know, you see the commercial. What is it? The Olympics? They're like, Visa made it possible. Provided by Visa. Supported by Visa. Brought to you by Visa.
Yeah.
Your memories made possible by Visa. Your birth made possible by Visa.
It's like, oh, I support Visa.
Well, this is for a different community, and it gets the news stories, and it's over here, and we're talking about it. And what did they do? They spent $150K for Visa. Who cares? $150K for Visa. They got a good deal. That's the way I look at it. I think you should consider doing the same, Will.
Are you? What do you think that they're gonna do about it? Like after they spend $150K with this NFT, it's like, are they gonna sell it, or you think they're gonna keep it?
No, yeah, it's just
It's just like a badge of honor.
It's just something that's associated with them now. Yeah. They might use it in an ad campaign. They might put it on a billboard somewhere, like Visa, the first major card to engage with. I don't know. Will.
Right.
They're just the cool card company now.
It's like a marketing stunt, like the Doritos. Puffy Doritos.
Well, that one, I mean, you missed the mark on that one. But not even a stunt in this case. They actually did it. They actually did it. They got the street cred that they're looking for because they got all the coverage they were looking for. I mean, I don't know if they're going to get the street cred they're looking for, but they got the coverage they're looking for. And I think they got a deal at 150K. And I think you should take this tactic, and it should be like Willie Doo buys CryptoPunk 8802, and all of a sudden the Forbes is going to talk about you.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Check out what 8802 is. Let's see what you would be in the market for.
Crypto.
I 02. I just came up with I really don't know. Oh, which one this is? Oh, female. And she has green things around her eyes.
How much is this one here?
500
not too bad.
Hey! Offer. Wait, the last time it was sold was only 106, but an offer for 507 was withdrawn. But that's 2017. Good luck to you. Well, you're not getting a deal here. Good luck to you.
Yeah.